Hello. Oh yeah. Nice. At the beach. Grand Bend. Beach crew. Becca, what are you looking forward to in life in the next 10 days?
The sun.
Nice. Bailey, when was the last time you felt the sense of childlike wonder?
20 seconds ago.
That's beautiful, man. Elizabeth McKittrick,
Yes, sir.
when's the last time you stepped out of your comfort zone?
Out of my comfort zone? I don't know. Probably recently.
When was it? What'd you do?
June 24th, 2023.
Awesome. Epic. Hey, we're at the beach. Nice. Spike ball. What a nice time. There are people here. It's so beautiful. Oh yeah, do it again. Nice. So beautiful, man. Life is so cool. Go, go, go.
She gets dressed up like a pillow, so she's always in bed. Flowers for the sick and dead. She's on the go, way too fast and way too slow.
Who won? Get a load of this guy. Yeah, bud. Ooh. Pretty guys. That's been falling from this guy for a while now. Maybe Oppenheimer, perhaps.
Oh no! Oh!
They're smoking weed. Liz, what does the sunset remind you of? That's not what you said.
What did I say?
What's it like? What's it like?
Oh, it's like crack.